land.
Is that all your eggs, Sissy?
How come nobody uses real eggs no more?
I hate them. They get all crushed in your Easter basket.
Mike, she's going to the eggs.
All right,
This is for your parents, videoing. So walk over there with the bag, the basket.
That's right. Hey, look over here. Hey, Thank you. Thank you. Here. Thank you. That's crazy.
It is.
I think that's it, Reese. Let's see some more. Here you go. Come on.
Gotta be some dollar bill ones.
I think I found all them.
Reese, over here. Reese. Nobody gets this one.
Oh, dollar bill.
Hi. Oh. Hey, Uncle Brian's talking to you. Come on. Go. Go. Hurry. Oh my goodness.
All the yellow ones are dollar bills.
Reese, look right here.
Is there any in the
All
plants
right.
here?
Go put it in your basket. Put it in your basket.
Come here. Come here.
Is this all of them?
Oh, put the egg in here.
Reese, come look at this one.
Trey.
Here, let her get it. Reese, come here.
She's like, that can go on the ground.
No, go brown.
Look at this. Right. What I'm talking about.
You're supposed to put them in there.
Did I get all mine?
Yeah, you're done.
Good job, Trey.
Now, like we said, I get to eat half of them.
No, you don't.
That was the agreement.
You can have all of the candies.
Those are good
He
too.
just wants it all. I got $1 in this one.
Well, good job, Reese.
Got $1 in this one.
Well, you made out like a bandit,
Where'd
didn't
you
you?
get a white one?